दोस्तों, इन दिनों गवादर शहर में मुख्तलिफ तरक्याती कामों का सिलसिला जारी है। एक तरफ गवादर पोर्ट और उसके साथ मुल्हिक फ्री इंडस्ट्रियल जोन में इंडस्ट्रियल यानी कारखानों की तामीर व तनसीब जारी है। दूसरी तरफ मकामी इंतज़ामिया भी अपने तरीके से यहाँ पे नए नए इक़दामात करने की कोशिश कर रही है ताकि आवाम का एतमाद हासिल किया जा सके। इसी सिलसिले में हमने गवादर के डिप्टी कमिश्नर अब्दुल कबीर ज़रकून साहब से मुलाकात की और उनसे पूछा कि शहर में हाल ही में जो खेल के मुकाबले हुए, इसके अलावा यहाँ पे एक कंटेनर लाइब्रेरी है, उस में सपोर्ट की है मकामी हुकूमत ने। इसके साथ साथ एक मोबाइल लाइब्रेरी भी कायम की है डिप्टी कमिश्नर के ऑफ़िस के ज़ेर निगरानी, ताकि आवाम तक किताबों को पहुंचाया जा सके, आवाम को रसाई हासिल हो सके किताबों तक। तो हमने एक इंटरव्यू के दौरान डिप्टी कमिश्नर साहब से पूछा कि आखिर मोबाइल लाइब्रेरी जैसे इनिशिएटिव्स का पस मंज़र क्या है, वजह क्या है कि उन्होंने इस नौइयत की लाइब्रेरी कायम करने को सपोर्ट किया।
Basically, the idea was that in parts of Balochistan, especially Gwadar, we have huge land and we have less of a population, and we cannot establish libraries everywhere, in every city, in every college, in every university. So this was the idea we thought of, that like Gwadar is the first district having the beach library, container beach library. So that was one of the innovation. Now this time what we did, we installed the library on the motorbike so that it is mobile and then it goes to the consumers, to the readers itself. तो जब हमने response देखा, initially the response was too good. What we decided that initially we'll target the small children only. So the books placed in that library were only related to small children, animated ones. Since it has the television inside it, it has a solar panel inside it, so you can switch on the television and you can show the educational videos to the children as well. In later phases, what we have decided, our strategy is that next stage we have the books available for the elder children as well, for the college going, school going, so that a schedule would be decided in which first initially 2 hours it would be placed in the girls college, then the girls high school for next 2 hours, then it will go visit some place. In evening it would be parked at the Sunset Park, where the students or the children coming from outside, they come and they read book. The main aim is to attract people, to attract small child. Yes, we do have. You would be surprised to hear that we have a container beach library and we have interactive sessions on almost every weekend. Saturday, Sunday is jammed packed. People even from rest of the districts, they do visit this place to attend that interactive sessions. It is very low cost and it requires less of a maintenance, so it is a very sustainable movement. And what we did, like in this, the Rotary Club funded us in this. The idea was built by the Rotary Club itself, so now the Rotary Club is providing us more mobile libraries and they are bearing the cost of its maintenance as well. So much of burden on the public sector, rather the social sector is bearing its cost. This is the future of Pakistan. Inshallah, this city would be running the complete country. Inshallah. There are some concerns of the investors. उन concerns को, वो major concerns हैं. उस concerns के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बलूचिस्तान ने काफ़ी वर्किंग भी की. उन concerns को हमने दूर करने की कोशिश की है और काफ़ी हद तक हमने दूर कर ली है. हमारी बोर्ड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, एक इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस एंड देन गिविंग देम अश्योरिटी, ये सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बलूचिस्तान ऑलरेडी काम कर रही है. बोर्ड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ने इसके ऊपर काफ़ी ज़्यादा, लाइक ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जो हमारा एक सेमिनार हमने किया था कराची में, यहाँ पे बोर्ड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट काफ़ी काम कर रही है. इसके साथ साथ गवादर डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी एंड दी जीडा all these authorities are linked with the Board of Investment, जिनके थ्रू हम एक जामे पॉलिसी हमारी बन चुकी है, सो दैट वी अट्रैक्ट दैम. उनके कंसर्न्स मोस्टली रिवॉल्व अराउंड द इन्वेस्टमेंट की सिक्योरिटी, that has been addressed by Board of Investment. There is a concern of security, there was, but not now. Hamari security coastal highway within city, you must have seen it, you must have visited it, and it has improved a lot. Alhamdulillah, we don't have such security issues inside Gwadar or during the coastline. So ये चीज़ें improve हो गई है. Now we are happy that we are having investors coming from even Pakistan, even outside Pakistan to the Gwadar. Yes, true. We did take their concerns into account, and after planning it, we have modified and we have put on now. We have constructed 3 bridges for the fishermen to give them access to the sea. Now, all the concerns related to fishermen initially, which were right, have been incorporated in the plan, and now they have the access 3 places. From 3 places they can access the East Bay, and the importance of this East Bay Expressway, we should understand it. This is what we have told the locals as well, that the functioning of the port, all the cargo and all the bigger trucks would not be entering inside the city. The traffic of the city would not be disrupted because of that. It will go outside the city and then it will straight go and join the coastal highway.